Alright guys, this is video number 4 in the series for the 1967 Field & Stream travel trailer. So you can see I untarped it. I'm going to start taking the aluminum off, the panels off in the back. But I got a lot of staples I got to remove, so I'm going to get that started and then we'll go from there, guys. So stand by to stand by. Alright guys, moment of truth. I could already tell you there's a lot of damage just by all the debris falling as I undid the bottom. So let me put you guys up here while I take it off. All right, yep, as I suspected. I think that's why my skin collapsed, because this kind of collapsed. Look at that. That is just termite, big termite issues. The curbing is gone. I'm gonna redo it. Obviously I'm gonna redo this whole thing, but look at this corner. Ooh. Yeah, so I'm going to be very careful in taking everything off, doing my measurements and all the good stuff. Sorry, the camera sideways, guys. So that is what we're dealing with right now. Okay, let me put you guys back up so I could get some stuff going here, take my measurements, my photographs. Okay, here's with insulation off. So you could tell there's that is really bad. Curbing's all the way off. I've already measured it width-wise, height-wise. I've already measured the rev opening for the luggage pass-through. And yeah, like I said, I'm gonna take all this off right now, and let's see where we go. I got to inspect the floor on the back. I might have some issues with the floor, but I'm going to take these two side panels off right now just to go up a little bit higher, right above the window. I'm going to take it off all the way to here. Actually, it makes it a lot easier for me to work on to see how much more damage there is. All right, windows going out on the curb side. Interesting thing is that on the upper window, no staples at all whatsoever on the perimeter of the window. Just the screws holding the window in. It looks like at one point they did change the sealant, but yeah, obviously it's all bad. I've been really lucky in the fact that I don't have Phillips screws. These are coming off really easy with my impact driver. So just an update. I've taken lower and the sides off. I'm working on the sides on the on the curb side. I'm going to take part of the roof off. I guess I have to take the whole roof off to take the curbside off, so I could work on the curbside first. So I got to build up the sidewalls before I could do the back. It's really bad. So anyways, there's no turning back now. We're getting there. Curbside, it's almost gone. I have that last panel to go. I'm going to take that off next. The majority of this curbside is going to have to be rebuilt. The skirt is gone. So, and obviously the front is pretty bad. I don't like that. So for example, this, we're going to replace that with a 1x3 at least. Give it some more rigidity, some more structural integrity. Same with this side. I mean, yeah. So we're going to really beef this sucker up. We're getting there though.